Have you seen those buffalo chicken biscuit bombs all over social media? Well, here's my version. Let's get started. First, I make the chicken by adding the chicken and some hot sauce and a little bit of butter into my slow cooker or a pressure cooker. Either one works well. When it comes out, you want to shred it, mix it with a little bit of cream cheese. Then I work on the biscuits, just patting them out or rolling them out, whatever works best for you, and then fill it with that shredded chicken mixture. Turn it around until you've formed a little dumpling or ball, and then you need to do these with the rest of them. Place them in your skillet, and then these are going to go into the oven for, at first, 20 minutes. We're going to do a second bake after we brush them with this gorgeous Tabasco honey butter, which is just melted butter, hot sauce, and honey. Mix it well, and when those biscuits come out of the oven, you're going to brush this on top. While the biscuits are baking, I'm going to make some really good ranch dressing to go with them, which is mayonnaise, yogurt, buttermilk, some great fresh herbs such as parsley and chive, a little dash of Tabasco, salt and pepper, a clove of garlic, and then you're going to give this all a mix and let it kind of meld together while the biscuits finish baking. When those biscuits finish their first 20 minutes, bring them out of the oven and brush them with this Tabasco honey butter. Put them back in another 10 minutes, and then you have a treat on your hands, folks. This is so good.